And a student of class 8th. In this video, we will continue our discussion on cash crop. So, viticulture we are discussing is common in France. Viticulture, I have explained you in the previous video that cultivation of grapes is known as viticulture. So, Germany, Italy, Bulgaria, and Netherlands. So, where it is found in? Mostly common in France, Germany, Italy, Bulgaria, Netherlands. And Belgium grow vegetable and flowers. So, latest scientific technique like testing of soil, use of hybrid seeds, chemical fertilizer, insecticide and crop rotation are employed to increase production on these fruits and fruit cultivation, viticulture, use of modern techniques. So, this is all about your cash crop. Next, move on to the topic animal rearing. Now, the cool and moist climate favors the growth of grasses, especially in Central Europe. So the high quality breeds of cattle are reared here in Central Europe to produce large quantity of milk, which is used to make milk products such as dried and condensed milk. Animal rearing because of this. And dairy farming is done on very scientific method. Pig and poultry farming are also carried out. The poultry farm provide eggs and chicken, and sheep rearing is carried on the dry parts of the Europe, especially in the Mediterranean lands. So it is mainly done mainly for wool and mutton. For this purpose, sheep is reared. So this was all about animal rearing. Now move on to the fisheries. So where the shallow bordering seas are rich in marine life of Europe, and warm water of North Atlantic provides suitable fishing sites activities. So most important fishing ground in Europe are Dogger Bank and Great Fisher Bank. These are the two important places where fishing activity take place. The main fishes caught are cod, sardine, herring, tuna, haddock, halibut, mackerel, and mussel. These are names of the fishes which are carried out. And main fishing countries are Norway, Sweden, Iceland, Denmark and Netherlands, France and Germany, UK, Spain and Portugal. These are the important fishing countries. Fishing today is highly technical and now complex operation it has become. And Norway, basically Norway has highly advanced and well-equipped fishing vessels. Norway. So this was all about fishing. Now next move on to the mineral and power resources. So the important mineral deposits found in Europe are what are important minerals found in Europe? Iron, ore, zinc, lead, mercury, platinum, copper, potash and bauxite. So iron ore deposits occur basically where it is Ukraine, Russia, Spain, Germany, France, Sweden and Belgium, UK. These are the important countries have iron ore resources. Bauxite deposits occur in Germany, France, Norway, Switzerland, Austria, UK, Russia and Italy. Sulfur and potash are also found in many parts of Europe, and zinc and lead deposits are found in Belgium, France, Germany and Poland. So these are your important two maps. Just take it: Europe crops and livestock and Europe mineral. Now first take the map of Europe crop and livestock. Here in this map you can see these are the where wheat, maize, oats, potato, sugar, beet, fruit, cotton, tobacco are the where these agriculture production take place. Yes, you can see the map and the countries and the area. You have an idea by just seeing by this map. Now similarly, it is your mineral and power resources just by seeing the map. With these are the countries where these important mineral and power resources they produce. These countries like coal, petroleum, natural gas, iron ore, manganese, copper, bauxite, gold, and the important country where these are produced. So I think you have understood this important two map. In next video we will discuss other important topic of this chapter. So thank you students.